MPCB, MCCB, MCP. What is up with all these acronyms for circuit breakers? Don't they all just basically do the same thing anyways? Well, sort of, but not exactly. You see, while they may look similar on the outside, it's what's going on inside that plastic housing that makes all the difference in the world. In this video, I'm going to define these three types of circuit breakers, explain the differences between them, and then show you where they're commonly applied in your industrial control applications. As you can see here, Allen Bradley offers these devices in space-saving bulletin 140 MT and 140 UT style for loads that are 40 amp and below. The larger frame 140 MG and 140G are for larger loads above 40 amps. So first up is the MCCB, which stands for molded case circuit breaker. Its name's derived from the fact that all of the electromechanical parts that make it work are housed inside a casing of molded plastic material. Now, these devices are specifically designed to protect downstream wiring and the connected hardware from any damage or destruction due to either a short circuit or a thermal overcurrent situation in the circuit. MCCBs are designed as a general-purpose circuit protective device, such as a main circuit breaker in a distribution panel board, or a switchboard that supplies power for lighting, heating and air, or maybe other power outlets in a building. In your industrial control system, they're typically used as a main disconnect for a control panel or as a feeder or branch circuit protection device within a control system. Molded case circuit breakers are not specifically designed to be used as thermal overload protection on a motor. Next is the MCP, or the motor circuit protector. As its name implies, this device is specifically designed for short circuit protection of the downstream equipment in a motor power circuit. As you can see here, MCPs are typically used in a three-piece combination motor starter as the motor disconnect and short circuit protective device mounted on the line side of the contactor. The overload protection for the motor is provided by an additional overload relay such as a bulletin E100 or E300 shown here. And that leaves us with the granddaddy of them all, the motor protection circuit breaker, or MPCB. As its name implies, an MPCB combines the short circuit capabilities of a motor circuit protector with the motor thermal overload protection of an overload relay. The built-in adjustable overcurrent feature allows you to match the trip setting on the breaker to the full load amperage rating on your motor. The MPCB also protects motors against phase loss in undervoltage conditions. This unique design gives you complete protection for your motors without the need for adding any additional circuit breaker or overload relay. In a nutshell, the MPCB is an all-in-one motor and branch circuit protective device that can be used as a standalone one-piece manual motor starter and disconnect, or in a two-piece motor starter that's combined with a contactor. As you can see, not all circuit breakers are made alike, but hopefully it's given you a little bit of valuable insight into their similarities and their differences. But if you need any assistance determining which device best meets the needs of your specific application, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local Kendall Electric Automation engineer team for assistance.